You want some more?
He's doing nicely.
Very good.
Don't you think?
食べましょう。You didn't swallow it yet.
Pretty soon we'll have you on chicken soup.
Swallow
And then
it.
vegetable soup.
And
then...
You ready? Here's some more. Yum, 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 yum. Here you go.
That's why. Where's that? Does your high chair have different positions?
You know, the high chair is still in a box in the closet.
I have to look at it.
Yeah, it does have different positions.
Because then I would set it up and use it to feed him.
Yeah.
Save
in the corner here.
What a mess you are. What a
but
mess
this is
you
fun,
are.
Ma. This is different.
Yeah.
Look, he's kicking. He's happy.
Here we go. Here's some more.
My back's breaking. We need a high chair.
Well, she just said it's in the box. You want to go get the box? It's in the closet. Let's put it together.
Leave that to Daddy.
Is that good? Are you swallowing any of this?
Yes.
Are you swallowing it?
Yes.
Sure he is.
Are you